Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now I'm just going to get stuck straight into this ivy that's growing out the base of the wall. Yep, it's causing some real damage. How satisfying was that? A little bit of payback. Yay, that's better. Where it starts off like, just like that, innocent. Yeah, it loves all them tiny cracks and crevices. Now what's happening, created a void and all the water is just running into there. I'm not going to deal with this 100%, but I'm certainly going to fill this so it doesn't get any worse. So just here we've got an old horseshoe that's been banged into the stonework, don't know when, probably when it was repointed. Bit of barbed wire there, not quite sure what that's doing there. Now, do our chance getting that out, losing more stonework. I mean, I could go on and on. So we're definitely going to get this top section filled in. I certainly haven't got enough to do this gaping hole now. There'll be another mix. Let's get another mix going. Okay, before I get another mix going, just a word from our sponsor, NordVPN. Nowadays, more and more of what we do is on the internet. Anything from managing our accounts to relaxing by watching our favourite shows in the evening. What most people don't realise is how vulnerable we are online, especially on public Wi-Fi or whilst travelling. That's why I use NordVPN. With just one click, NordVPN encrypts your connection, protecting you from hackers, trackers and snoopers, whether you're at home or on the go. It also lets you watch your favourite shows from back home when you're abroad, thanks to over 7,000 servers across 118 countries. Also, the dark web monitor alerts you if any of your personal info ends up for sale online. And with the family plan, you can protect up to 10 devices, so everyone in the household is covered. There's still more root. If you haven't tried it yet, head on over to nordvpn.com/Sha Weld. Yep, that's right, Sha Weld. Once again, we have secured a limited time offer, especially for our viewers, 4 extra months for free with a 2-year plan, allowing you to get some extra savings. And it's risk free with a 30-day money back guarantee. Wow, that was a big old plane. Now, as usual, the damage is a lot worse than what I feared. Guys, I haven't lost any section here. Just don't know until you start digging. I knew it was bad here. Got to be careful how I rip it all out, or the ivy, unless I bring anything else with it. Same again, I think just secure the main one, let that set, come back to it again. Now the good news is I've peeled off the ivy. That won't be coming back anytime soon. More importantly, it won't have many holes to set its roots into. Just simple stones like this are more than adequate. A lot of these stone walls constructed with these little stones as wedges, hold things in place, so they are important. Yeah, that's a loose stone next to it. I'll just come to the left and fill in there. What I'm going to try and do is just pick away a little bit here, try and get that joint filled up. And above it, so I can get to that ivy. That's probably where it's getting in and then driving down behind. Even if it just makes it a bit more sort of watertight, stop it penetrating behind. working it right in, nice and tight the joint. It's so tempting just to take that bottom section off, but where do I stop? Oh, big void. Glad I took that off. Let me show you how deep that one goes. Yep, certainly washed out a lot of the infill. I think what I'm going to do, the muck that I've got in the bucket, will knock up, get it in there, and get some stone in there. I'll leave it open so that I can funnel some liquid slurry mix in there, and then just keep packing it with stones until we fill up that void. That's quite important because it's at the base of the wall and on the corner. Get some granite in here. Fire it in. Doesn't have to be complicated to be effective. Now, out of all the repairs, I think this is probably the most urgent. I'm keen not to close off the cavity because I want to go again with some more mix. Just try it for size. Oh, it's a shame, just too big. So I can get it with this. Not far out, I know that. Maybe a little bit more off the edge. Yeah, I wouldn't use this method normally. Pretty much there. It's not going to fall out. It's going to hold all this together. Once this downpipe's out of the way, I can get into there, knock a bit of this out. For now, it's held. It's probably the best I can do at the moment. Yes, this area I've definitely got to readdress. Maybe it was the lucky horseshoe holding it all together. So don't forget, whilst you're online, to stay safe. If you're looking for a VPN provider, you won't go far wrong with NordVPN, link in the description. I'd like to say a big thank you to them for sponsoring my channel. It really has helped me progress and get more jobs done. Okay, talking of jobs, I think I'm finished on this one for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.